The pork neck vinegar is done. This is after about 35 minutes, taken out from the pressure cooker.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. What you are looking at here, Appa is actually trying to make some pork leg vinegar. To save time, I'm actually using two hobs at the same time. On the left hand side, I'm actually blanching the pork leg. So what you need to do is actually basically just prepare some cold water, put the pork leg inside, add in a bit of ginger and Shaoxing wine or any rice wine. Bring the temperature up until it is boiling. Then let it boil for about 2-3 minutes. Then the blanching process is done. Now this blanching process is very important as you need this process to remove at least 90% of the gaminess from the pork leg itself. I have approximately 1 kg of pork leg inside. Then on the other side here, let me focus. Okay, here I have some few pieces of old ginger and a little bit of dried chili. What we need to do here is just to dry roast it. You don't have to put any oil. You just dry roast it for a minute or two. When you start feeling the aroma coming out from the ginger, that is good enough. Oh, by the way, you do need to crush the ginger a bit. As you can see from here, the ginger has been crushed, yeah? So that the flavor can release easier. And you dry roast it for a minute or two. Then it's done. After that, you combine this together with the vinegar, put it inside the pressure cooker, done. So this is after about boiling, the water boiling about 2-3 minutes. You can see from all this here, all these are the scums releasing from the bones. These are the source of gaminess. So now all you need to do is just to take out the pork leg and go and wash it under running water. Get rid of all the scums. So here's the pork leg after blanching. So let's take a look at the ingredient as a whole here. Okay, we have 1 kg of blanched pork leg. We have a few pieces of dry roasted old ginger and 2 to 3 pieces of dried chili as well. We have about 500-600 ml of plain water. We are going to need about 2 tablespoons of sugar. This is rock sugar, and we will need about 1 bottle. Yeah, about approximately 1 bottle of sweetened dark vinegar. I'm using only one type of vinegar here, which is the sweetened dark vinegar. Some will use different types to add together, but to me, one type is good enough. And the easiest formula is 1 ratio of sweetened dark vinegar to 1 ratio of water. So 500 ml to 500 ml. So I've added in, this is the inner pot of my pressure cooker. I've added in the pork leg. Then we add in the ginger and dried chili. Then we add in approximately 2 tablespoons of rock sugar, or you can use any sugar that you have, no problem. White sugar also can. Approximately 1 bottle of sweetened dark vinegar. You can fast forward. Then added with a similar amount of water here. Alright, it looks like it is slightly not enough to cover all the pork leg, so I'm going to add in a little bit more vinegar and also water. Right, as you can see from here, now all the pork and it's actually nicely submerged under the broth. This is good enough, and we just need to put it into the pressure cooker. Pressure cook using high pressure for approximately 30 minutes, then it is done. Alright, so here's my pressure cooker. Cover it. Choose about 30 to 35 minutes, high pressure, and let it cook by itself. After that, it is done. It's actually very, very easy to make pork leg vinegar at home. Right, the pork neck vinegar is done. This is after about 35 minutes, taken out from the pressure cooker. So very, very simple. Now I'm actually going to get some extra sauce to braise some of my hard-boiled egg. Basically, it's done. Yeah. So I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. If you don't have a pressure cooker, you probably need to cook your pork leg under the normal pot using the medium low heat for at least 1.5 hours to 2 hours. Okay, bye bye.